Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best barrel hinges is probably one of the most understated yet crucial components in furniture making and home improvement, often overlooked, but critically important for smooth operation and lasting durability. A high-quality barrel hinge ensures your cabinets, doors, and other projects not only look great but also function flawlessly for years to come. Choosing the right one can be tricky, so we're here to break down everything you need to know to select the perfect barrel hinge for your next project, covering materials, sizes, and applications. Number 5. Heavy-duty gate hinges. These steel hinges are incredibly strong and durable. The 7-inch hinge holds up to 900 pounds, while the 5-inch holds 450 pounds. They're designed for easy welding onto gates, ramps, or driveways. The thick back plates ensure a secure fit. A grease fitting keeps the internal ball bearings lubricated for smooth, quiet operation. This also extends its lifespan. It has a matte black finish that resists rust and corrosion. They're perfect for indoor or outdoor use. You get 2 heavy-duty hinges in each order, plus our friendly customer service is always here to help. These hinges are a great solution for heavy gates and doors. Order yours today. What we like. They are incredibly strong and can handle up to 900 pounds. Installation is a breeze thanks to their weld-on design. If you need a robust hinge for heavy-duty applications, this is the one for you. What people say. Heavy-duty, swings like it should. Welded this set of hinges as replacements on a 14-foot wide iron swing gate and they work great. The powder coating will heat up and smoke while welding, but did not blister when cooled. Well made and welded up perfectly. This hinge rides on a single large ball bearing, and it has a grease zero to keep it greased. Number 4. Bullet Hinge 49753. This robust hinge is built to last. Its steel construction and brass bushing ensure smooth, reliable operation for years to come. It features a 6-inch steel body and pin for superior strength and durability. It's perfect for demanding applications. The integrated brass bushing minimizes friction, providing a smooth and quiet hinge action. This also contributes to its long lifespan. A convenient grease zerk fitting allows for easy lubrication, keeping it running smoothly. Regular lubrication will extend its useful life. It's designed to be welded directly onto your project for a secure and permanent installation. This ensures a strong and reliable connection. It's versatile enough for a wide range of uses, from barbecue smokers and gates to automotive tailgates. It's the perfect solution for heavy-duty applications. What we like. It's a solid 6-inch hinge with a brass bushing for smooth movement. The grease fitting ensures long-lasting performance. If you prioritize smooth operation and durability, this is an excellent choice for your project. What people say. Worked great on my trailer for the ramp. Welded them on, greased them up, and boom. Perfect. I have used these hinges several times on different projects. This time I was building a safe door and need a set of HD hinges that could easily lift apart. These worked great and carried the heavy door, probably some 450 to 500 pounds, and allowed us to easily remove the door from the frame for transport and installation. These are very smooth. I welded these on a custom gate I made. Very easy to use and smooth as butter. Add a little grease when you install them and they work like they're supposed to. I used red bearing grease to install and it's been about 6 months now with 0 issues and 0 squeaks. Number 3. 3 Steel Bullet Hinge. It's a heavy-duty hinge, perfect for a variety of applications. The 3-inch size makes it ideal for larger doors and gates. This hinge comes with a zerk grease fitting for easy lubrication. Keeping it well lubricated ensures smooth operation and a longer lifespan. It's built to last with a heavy-duty housing and a thick steel center pin. This ensures superior strength and durability. It's designed for welding, providing a secure and permanent attachment. We recommend using at least 2 hinges per application for optimal support. It's incredibly versatile. Use it on barbecue smokers, gates, truck tailgates, wherever you need a robust and reliable hinge. A brass bushing is included to further enhance the hinge's smooth operation and reduce wear and tear on the moving parts. What we like. This compact 3-inch hinge is perfect for smaller applications. It features a brass bushing and a grease fitting for smooth and long-lasting use. If you're working on a smaller project and need a reliable hinge, this is a great option. What people say. They work absolutely amazing. Easy to grease. If you need a Weld-on hinge, these are worth buying. They are supporting the weight of a couple heavy-duty doors on a livestock trailer. High quality and easy to weld. Very heavy-duty. Number 2. Copper barrel hinges 12 mm. These hinges are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your DIY projects. They're made from high-quality copper and are incredibly easy to install. Measuring 12 by 27 mm, these hinges are compact and discreet. Always double-check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Crafted from solid copper, it ensures durability and a luxurious look. It's built to last and enhance the aesthetic of your creations. They're ideal for wooden doors, cabinets, and various DIY projects. Use them in hotels, homes, or anywhere you need a reliable and stylish hinge. Unleash your creativity. They are perfect for small boxes, furniture, jewelry boxes, and more. The possibilities are endless. Installation is a breeze, and a flexible 180-degree opening angle provides smooth, reliable operation. You'll enjoy the ease of use. Each package includes 4 barrel hinges, ready to transform your next project. Get started on your DIY project today. What we like. Its hidden design adds a touch of elegance to any project. Made from high-quality copper, it's both beautiful and durable. If you're looking for a stylish and functional hinge for your DIY project, this is perfect for you. What people say. This product is exactly as advertised. Not heavy-duty, but very classy, low and medium-duty. Installs in a heartbeat and looks cool. These worked perfectly to repair the lid on an old end stand. I couldn't get the old hinges out, so drilled next to the old ones and installed the new ones. Work great. Fit is great, but a 12 mm bit is very snug and you can't use the screws to tighten it down or make any adjustments. I used a 31/64-inch bit that gave me just enough play in the hole for adjusting and able to use the machine screw to snug it in. Number 1. Heavy-duty Weld-on barrel hinges. These hinges are perfect for a variety of applications. They're made of durable carbon steel for long-lasting use. Constructed from high-quality carbon steel, these hinges provide exceptional strength and durability. They can handle heavy loads with ease. Experience smooth, effortless 360-degree rotation. It ensures easy opening and closing of your gates or ramps. They are ideal for trailer ramps, gates, and various other doors. Its heavy-duty design makes it suitable for demanding environments. These weld-on hinges are designed for easy installation. Simply weld them securely to your desired location. Each hinge measures 4 to 1/8 inches by 1 inch with a 1/2 inch diameter pin. This size is perfect for many applications. Your purchase includes 4 heavy-duty weld-on barrel hinges, ready to enhance your project. Everything you need is in the box. What we like. These hinges offer 360-degree rotation for ultimate flexibility. They're built tough and ready for heavy use. If you need a versatile and durable hinge for various applications, this is a great choice. What people say. They work as expected and seem to be pretty heavy-duty. From description, I did not know there was one big ball bearing inside the hinge to make the turning smoother, but there is. Sides of hinge are nice and thick, so plenty of meat to weld to. There is a little grease inside from factory. I did add more and would be nice if there was a Zerk fitting to add more at a later date. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.